Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious vanilla muffins step by step. First, gather your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly to ensure they are well combined. This step is crucial for an even rise and texture in your muffins. Next, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of milk until smooth. Then, melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and carefully incorporate it into the wet mixture. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This combination will give your muffins that wonderful, classic vanilla taste. Now it's time to bring everything together. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with your dry mixture. Gently fold them until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough muffins. Fill your muffin liners about 2/3 full in a 12-cup muffin tin. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Once baked, let your delicious vanilla muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. They are wonderful served warm, perhaps with a pat of butter, or at room temperature. These homemade treats are perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your baking.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.